Uh-oh.
I can't find the...
Outside of Dizzy's.
I don't have a date of birth, why?
There's a Genesis Silver at 55 Dean Street, apartment 3, with a birthday of 6496.
They're at the wrong address.
G-A-T-S.
It's Gates, not Gage, guys.
Report is G-N-E-S-I-S. Like the book of Genesis.
Genesis Street or something.
Blue Forester and a Toyota. One party has no papers.
Wrong address.
So a different Spanish-speaking person call Becca Mulder. Maybe ask what her full name is.
Wrong address.
Registration on a license, one or the other, or both.
Off they go to where the real call is, I guess. It's Gates, not Gage.
It is G-A-T-E-S, so
G-A-T-E-S. They're all gone now. Morning. It's morning time at U Dizzy's. What I'm going to do is, first of all, I'll show you guys some of my brewing stuff. Look at this freaking right signed picture in a beautiful frame. Just thought I'd show you that. But today, I'm going to make somebody put something together. These. One of them, I'm going to give to Ron if he wants it. If not, you know, I don't know what I'm going to do with it. But I got two of these. They're bird baths. And I'm going to make them mix concrete and throw some in there just so they have some weight at the bottom of them, you know. Some people film with sand. I think I got 2 bags of concrete downstairs. I'm trying to wake Ron up right now. Make him get right on, I guess they got to get filled with a little concrete in there. And then screwed on. They got a couple little dimples in them, if you see the dimples. And I guess they screw onto those holes. And that's it. So, we'll get to that. Let's beat Ron up to get him up. Alright, I called Ron about 90 times and woke him up. And set everything up for me to sit on my ass. I mean, for him to get started. Here's his tools. Margin trowel. A mixer. Drill. Concrete. Bucket. Tubes to fill up. Can't wait till he gets here. Yeah. Look, he woke up. He woke up. Fucking some bitch.
I thought that was dead for a second.
Can you pop a wheelie? No. Shit. Ring, 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 ring. You said no wheelie, Ron.
No fucking wheelie. I can sit on the back and that motherfucker will go back.
Right, Ron will make that do a wheelie.
All right, today on the Dizzy Show, we're gonna show you how to make some bird baths. That way you can have your little birds clean their little feathers up, and or wash their little piggies, all that good stuff. So
I put water in here first, a little bit.
So we got a little bit of water. We got the bird bath bases here. Gonna throw some good old cement in there. And just if you notice really close, he's doing it old school style. He's doing it barefoot. Because why? He doesn't want to ruin his beautiful shoes.
Damn Skippy.
Yeah, don't do that. No. No. So we get the big old mixer out. More H2O. And I think maybe if we have a little extra after this, maybe we'll make a pair of cement shoes to threaten people in the neighborhood.
Well, we can always mix that up.
Yep, make it nice.
Always keep an extra bag for that.
Yep, always extra cement shoes. Gonna fill these bases up and when I watch the birds go nuts. Ooh. It sounds like it's getting a little bit dry. You might need a little bit more lube in there.
I'm gonna change my battery.
Not change the battery time. Yep, a little bit more freaking KY in there. Yep, take it, baby, take it. Yeah. She's liking it now. Oh, we're gonna dump a little extra into that. Oh yeah. She's gonna love this.
You know this is a PG show, right?
Oh. I take it. I love the sand. Oh. La da da da, yeah. Oh, sorry. Yet I digress. See her singing away?
Yeah.
She was singing to me. You knew Spanish music got me going, right? Now, are you filling the whole bass all the way up or just on the bottom part?
I don't think it needs that. I think it just needs some weight in it so it don't tip over, you know? That's what I think. I don't know.
Let's see how steady he is. Make sure you keep it in the hole, fool. Look at that. That's like after feeding an elephant a bunch of burritos right there coming out of that. Damn. It's like...
Right down to the last drop.
Took it right down, nice and happy. Yep, now wiggle its ass a little bit to make sure it's all out. The birds are sitting there going, come on, asshole, hurry up.
Yeah, they are.
Look at them right over there. You can see them, just two of them standing right over there, right over his head. They're waiting.
Let's clean this up a little bit.
Look at the inside of that bad boy.
I don't know if you can see in there, but
Oh yeah, I can see right in there. Looks like a clogged toilet.
you rinse it off.
Nice hose.
Oh, hey. Hey, how's your hose?
Yeah, clean the shaft. There you go. Can always make things sound dirty. How far can your arm go down in that thing? Oh, fisting it, yeah.
Not much.
It's nice and clean. That looks good. Okay. Now it's time to put on the bass. Dong, da, da, dong, dong, ding, ding, dong. All right, drop the bass. Look at that. Woo! Look at, drop the bass. Yeah, beat the bass, beat the bass. He's slapping the bass. Did you match the holes up?
Yes.
You sure?
I don't see no hair around them, but
Okay, so we're good. Oh yeah, listen to the power of that drill. Look at that, nice and easy.
As for the following, check both is Polo, area 170 Pleasant Street, Woodell Park, for Black Sedan.
That bass is easy. See how nice that screw went right in? I'm not saying she's easy, but when you were born, you went in and out a few times. Beg my pardon.
I know, right?
Right. Well, he's finishing this, and you see how beautiful it is out here. Did you ever notice people that sit under umbrellas are always under the weather? Look at that. That's sexy. Let's get some fucking
Yeah,
birds.
and this is nice.
Yeah, and that's nice too.
Now we'll put some water in.
And that will be the complete part. And what we do is we are inventors over here. So what we're going to do is we're going to put some water inside this, and then we're going to electrify the base. That way when the birds go in there, they get electrocuted. Then we have dinner later on, and the maid will not know about it.
We can't do that. What about all the bird lovers?
The bird what? The bird lovers? They eat chicken. You know, just this is an hors d'oeuvre. Ah, refreshing. Look at that. Oh, now I hear the roosters. I hear them this time. We got roosters in the neighborhood. Look at our neighborhood. Does it look like a goddamn farm to you? And there is the base and the bird bath all together.
Something.
Professional, I say.
Yes.
Professional.
Very professional.
Awesome.
Because we are nothing but professional on this show.
At least we tell people that. Well, hey, YouTubers, how you doing? It's you, Dizzy here. I want to thank everybody for tuning into the show. I want to say that I appreciate everyone who watches, and I appreciate all the good comments and even the bad ones, whatever. You know, sometimes they give me a laugh. But I want to take this second here to shout out a channel, King's Disaster Garage. This freaking kid, man, he is working his butt off. He's doing his Jeep right now, and I mean, he's doing a great job. He's doing a great job with the underground graphic lighting behind it and filling in all the voids, and he's just doing a great job. You got to check him out. He's only got like 68 subscribers, but the kid deserves 1 million, just like the rest of us. So go check him out. I would appreciate it. King's Disaster Garage on the YouTubes. And once again, thanks for watching, you Dizzy. You know, I appreciate it.